you can harness the power of Robro and get muffin stuff.
People of Earth, today I intend to destroy you with my cool new video. It's gonna be more viral than the plague. Nothing can stop me. Just give me one more second for it to upload and 4%? Your Earth internet is terrible. All the more reason to destroy you, which I will do as soon as -3%.
Planet Earth is under attack, and now we need real heroes to suit up and fight back. Massive monsters straight from outer space, yo. Crash, bash, smash the human race. Led by Master Mayhem, he's totally the worst.
Yeah! Wait, what?
It's probably the greatest show in the universe. Step up to the challenge, it's us against them. Look out, Earth, it's Massive Monster Mayhem. Massive Monster Mayhem. Massive Monster Mayhem. Massive Monster Mayhem.
Welcome to Massive Monster Mayhem, the only show in the cosmos where real heroes get to battle giant monsters in order to save Earth and win awesome prizes.
To find our champion, we've scoured all the selfie and cat videos on the internet. And these three are the bravest, toughest, and memeiest heroes the Earth has to offer.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now they'll compete against each other in 2 rounds of elimination.
The Megalator and the Mega Duel.
And once we've found our champion, they'll face off against the massive monster in the Mashdown with a chance to win up to $1,000.
Whoa, $1,000? That's like a really nice computer.
Or like 10 super lame computers.
Plus, we all get to live.
The best gift of all.
It's time for the Megalator, designed by an angry cat randomly walking over a keyboard. It's the ultimate elimination course. It'll test our heroes' bravery, strength, and speed to find our champion. First, they'll shoot down onto the pillars of pain, then jump back and forth across the broken bridge, landing them on the electro line, where they'll have to climb to the dive of doom. If they fall onto the laser floor, they'll get a 1-minute penalty and move on to the next stage. The 2 heroes with the shortest overall time will move on to the Mega Duel.
Let's meet our first hero.
It's Rachel. I heard Rachel trained her dog to play rock, paper, scissors.
He always chooses paper.
Well, that's what happens when you don't have a thumb. Ah! It's okay, Grant. Let's try this. And there she goes. And there goes the Mega Junk Cannon.
Ooh, they are blasting Rachel. But she takes a moment to plank on the pillars. That's gonna get some hits.
Some hits from the Mega Junk Cannons. Look out, Rachel.
Ooh, she's in the pit. I'm gonna go ahead and unlike that.
Oh yeah? Well then I'm going to evil rainbow angry panda meme unicorn it.
She's never gonna fail now. Look at her go.
She's surfing on that bridge like I love to surf on the information superhighway.
Grant, how old are you? Look at her, she's using the butt scoop. It's a famous move. She's never gonna fail now. Look at her go.
She is leaping across like a magnificent leopard.
A magnificent leopard with a jetpack. There she goes. Rachel's about to finish the broken bridge with 2 orbs and no more penalties. It's a miracle. Those meteors and the Mega Junk Cannons are making it hard.
Oh, hey, Earth! I can't even threaten you because I can't get my awesome viral video to upload. But you little Earth lames can't stop me! What? Internet disconnect?
I wish she'd do a crazy backflip. That'd be cool.
She does! I'm totally gonna put that on Facebook. And what's her time?
With just 1 penalty, it's 5 minutes and 34 seconds.
Ooh.
Like? Okay, so I finally figured out how to upload my viral video. Feast your eyes on this, dweebos. Oh, chicka, chicka, oh, chicka, chicka. What, the wormhole? That's the wrong video! Oh yeah, here I go. Oh, my knickknacks! How do I turn it off? Rubro! On it, boss bro. And off. At least nobody saw it. Except for some dude named Earth. What? Earth? Curse you, Earth. I'm going to send my most terrifying massive monster to destroy you and all your computers. Don't forget their phones. And your phones. They may have tablets. We'll just destroy the whole planet. Teensy, the Triceratops. Go destroy the world. Wide Web. It's Teensy the Tri-Terror-Tops. Long ago, in the Cretaceous galaxy, thrived a race of deadly dino demolishers who vowed to spread extinction across the universe. He's their leader, the ferocious fossil, the radical reptile, and most famously known as the lovable host of everyone's favorite kids show, Teensy Time.
Hey, kids! Come on over for lunch! You look delicious!
It's Teensy the Tri-Terror-Tops.
Hey, everybody! Don't forget to follow me! Right into my tummy!
That would be much more terrifying if he didn't sound so squeaky.
Yeah, why is his voice all funny?
You know, I think he used to eat a lot of clowns.
Well, that just raises more questions.
And it's doubtful they'll be answered when we come back.
Monster Mayhem. Monster Mayhem.
Welcome back to Massive Monster Mayhem.
While Master Mayhem figures out how this whole internet thing works, we've got another brave hero uploading themselves onto the Megalator. It's John Michael, the hero so nice they named him twice.
Wow, I wonder if he's gonna win this thing.
I'm gonna win this thing.
Well, there you go.
He won't be smiling for long. They don't call them the Pillars of Pleasure.
My foot. Ow. Ow.
I've got to destroy this video. What if I press this share button? Ah!
Looks like planet Earth's getting a full moon tonight.
Ayo! I am very impressed with John Michael. That kid can take a lot of hits without complaint.
Ow.
And he's never gonna fall. Never!
Oh! John Michael heads back with a mega orb.
Look at that intense focus. He'll make it with no P backflips into a time penalty.
But he sure looked good doing it.
I think this is where John Michael will really bring it up. No.
He must be crushed.
No, he's still smiling. This kid has spirit.
He does. He laughs in the face of danger.
And when meteors hit his face, he gave that meteor a high five.
His run is almost over. He struggles through the mega whip and leaps butt first into glory. And he's done it. John Michael finishes the Megalator with a time of 5:41.
Our final hero will need to beat John Michael's time if they want to advance to the Mega Duel.
It's Malachi. He once traveled back in time to stop himself from eating spinach.
Best decision I never made.
Will he be able to triumph in the Megalator and make it to the Mega Duel? Let's find out.
There he goes.
If he really wants to make a name for himself, he should make his own gift. And there it is, the Topsy Turtle.
Oh, I'm trying it.
Hey, everybody, check it out! I just posted a picture of my food. Hashtag yummy!
Whoa, hashtag free range organic.
He is leaping across.
He might have just been bitten by a radioactive grasshopper. We misplaced like 30 of those last week.
Haha, you're going to fall, and all of your followers are going to become my followers. They just fall over to my page, right?
Even my grandmother knows more than Master Mayhem about the internet.
Yeah, I hear she pwns a lot of news. Oh, Malachi was crushing the broken bridge. I can't believe he didn't make it.
Well, it's on to the electro line. Malachi knows that he has to move fast to stay in the game.
He's got to use all of his radioactive grasshopper strength and balance to make it across.
Time to beat is 5 minutes and 41 seconds. And with a stylish backward splat, Malachi beats the Megalator. But will he beat the other heroes?
And he's done it! Malachi has blown past John Michael and even beaten Rachel's time, rocketing him into first place and securing him a place in the Mega Duel.
Ha! You just got Earth Toilet Sad Cat emoji'd. Fail tag hash. Did I use that right? You know, it doesn't matter. Teensy is gonna whip your nays.
What's a nay-nay?
Oh, you know, it's with the move and the roll and the thing and the yeah.
Please don't ever do that again. All of our heroes had an incredible showing on the Megalator, but only 2 of them move on to the Mega Duel.
Who will win and battle against Teensy to save the Earth?
Oh, you know, Teensy once had the greatest kids' TV show in the whole galaxy.
Hey, kids! It's time for everyone's favorite kids show. It's Teensy time!
Hey, kids! Who loves math? Hooray! Well, here, I have 3 buildings, but if I take away 2... How many buildings do I have left? Hey, wait, kids? Kids? I thought you liked math! Uh-oh.
What the wormhole?
The Mega Duel is gonna go down right after this, so don't go anywhere.
Monster Mayhem. Monster Mayhem.
Welcome back.
Now, our 2 remaining heroes will go on to the Mega Duel!
While I tried to delete all of cyberspace, your heroes are going to get deleted in regular space aboard the SS Mayhem.
MM is sending our heroes to the SS Mayhem, an abandoned spaceship being sucked into a giant black hole.
You know, I once went to space camp in a black hole. Worst summer ever!
Our 2 heroes will be competing in a game of Switch Strike, where they'll have to trigger the ship's booster switches to their color for them to escape.
Whichever hero has more of their switches activated when time runs out wins! And the other hero gets to spend eternity in a black hole.
Let's Switch Strike!
Rachel and Malachi get right to it!
Oh no! Rachel is sucked off the side of the ship! Is it all over?
No, they just cloned her and sent her right back.
Wow! Rachel too is really ready for some switching. They are both thrown to the deck.
But Rachel doesn't let that stop her. I don't think anyone is prepared for a meteor storm. It's going to shake up the ship and our champion.
Yay! You're being crushed by meteors. Like...
You can't keep Malachi down. He switches high and low.
All my followers are laughing at you right now. All 10 of them. Wait, 8? Who unfollowed me? Mom!
Rachel leaps for the high switch and hits it.
But Malachi hits it too. It's not looking good for Rachel.
It's not looking good for any of us, Devon, as meteors continue to pound the SS Mayhem.
It's 3 Rachel switches to Malachi's 8. What should Rachel do?
Personally, I just hide and hope Malachi gets crushed by a comet.
Well, Rachel isn't gonna give up. Anything can happen. She's gaining.
It looks like he's got it.
But no! Just at the buzzer, Rachel hits a low switch and wins it.
Malachi can't believe it.
And neither can Rachel.
Malachi really went for it. And for his efforts, he's won some scented lotion.
But why would he win lotion?
Well, Devon, in my experience, black holes really dry out your skin.
Oh yeah, good point. Hashtag scented lotion.
Anyway, Rachel emerges as our champion, and she'll be zapped to Mega City to battle Teensy.
I'm gonna eat that kid for breakfast, and then I'm gonna eat Mega City for lunch. And then I'm probably gonna take a nap, because naps are, like, good for you, and then I'll wake up. And then I'll eat your mom. Hashtag mom burritos.
See, I don't like that he's gonna eat my mom, but I do like burritos. I'm torn.
Well, we all may be torn, limb from limb, because it's time for the Mashdown in Mega City.
Mega City, the most fun, modern, and advanced city ever built. It's like the best place ever.
There's even free Wi-Fi.
Except it's also where massive monsters from outer space battle Earth's champions to decide the fate of our planet. Mega City. It's not just our website that keeps crashing.
I'm fine.
Teensy, get down there and shut them down. Yeah.
No, not again!
Gotta destroy this video.
I'm gonna totally delete this planet. Yippee for me! Aha! Surprise, everybody! Who wants to take a stompy?
Now comes the time for our champion to face off against the massive monster. Rachel will suit up in the ultimate advanced, indestructible Mega Mech battle suit.
Each suit has its own mega ability, giving Rachel the power-ups she'll need to save the Earth.
She's chosen the Mega Money Suit. Awesome choice. The suit will double the number of prize buildings in Mega City, and that could mean more Mashdown money.
It's time to fire up that experimental growth laser and grow our champion 600 feet tall! You know, this could be a great way to make a massive viral video. But it's an even better way to fight giant monsters from outer space.
Rachel better not mess this up.
And check out those fans. You know, all that running and screaming would make an awesome animated GIF.
Okay, before you're destroyed, let me show you the newest, coolest internet meme I just invented. It's called chickening. This is toast gonna go like bird flu viral.
Okay, well, I hope our champion doesn't chicken out. Let's find out right after this.
Monster Mayhem. Monster Mayhem.
Welcome back to MMM. It all comes down to this.
In the Monster Mashdown!
To defeat Teensy, Rachel will need to find 3 power pods and drop them into the Mega Reactor before the time runs out. 2 pods are hidden somewhere in Mega City, and 1 is on the monster.
There's also yellow prize buildings and other surprises.
And since Rachel chose the money suit, there are double the number of yellow prize buildings to hit the monster with.
But if she touches the hidden boom building, all her prize money goes boom!
If she can drop all 3 power pods in the reactor in time, she'll activate the Mega Laser, zap the monster, and save the Earth. Fighting for the future of Earth and her social media cred, it's Rachel!
And fighting for his annoying boss, it's Teensy the Tri-Terror-Top!
After I defeat you, I'm gonna post you on my wall, and then all your friends can come over to my house to see you.
I'm gonna cancel Teensy time forever.
Hey, you leave my dreams out of this!
It's the Mashdown! Teensy Dino charges into the city with no remorse for any buildings in his path, especially that one.
Oh, Rachel hits him right in the face with a prize building, and he goes down!
Rachel slams that cheeseburger joint.
Ooh, she's got beef.
She grabs a prize building and nails Teensy.
But just as Teensy drops the skyscraper suplex,
she's gotta find some power pods if she wants to save the Earth. But instead, she's racking up bucks on Teensy's back. He's down. And she's down for more prizes as she smashes the prize building.
oh! Rachel takes the first power pod off Teensy's belt and heads for the Mega Reactor.
She's gonna make it.
Come on, Rachel, come on! And she dunks it!
She's hunting for more pods, but Teensy's not gonna make it easy. They are absolutely destroying this city. They fight over a building, and the building loses.
Oh, she's got the Mayhem pod. Teensy tries to stop her, but it's too late.
Oh, this could mean trouble for Teensy. Which monster enemy will be thrown into the battle? It's Roll the gigantic intergalactic buff box.
Here comes Robro bringing the bro down to Teensy Town. Robro has bro down himself.
But Robro is keeping Teensy busy, giving Rachel the time to smash her way to another power pod.
She's found one. The power pod is in. But Robro is out. Time's up on the Mayhem pod.
Teensy is back in the game.
Oh, sorry. It's just really trending right now.
She nimbly steps aside. There's got to be another power pod somewhere, and less than 20 seconds left.
Teensy looks impatient.
Oh, and he lets her know it by hitting her with their own building.
Time is running out. She's panicking. She's got to find the last power pod or we're all doomed.
Oh, no. It's all over. Teensy has won.
Yay! I just broke the internet!
It's all over!
I get to take over the Earth. Unless, as per the very complicated Intergalactic Battle Alliance rules, your champion Rachel sacrifices herself in the Chamber of Doom.
I will sacrifice anything for our planet.
Rachel is gonna smell weird for weeks.
Oh, I know. I prefer scented lotion. Hashtag scented lotion.
What a day full of outdated social media references, destruction, and... Remember, the world may be ending,
But the fun has just begun.
we'll see you next time on...
Massive
Monster Mayhem!
Haha, let's see how my chickening video is going. Oh, chicka, chicka, oh, chicka, chicka. No, not again!